My name is Valentin Gonzalez. I'm representing here the Gran Canaria Tourist Board.
Now we're here at World Sport Destination Expo. It's very important sports tourism for you.
Yes, it is. Well, as a matter of fact, we are a very well-known winter break destination and also summer destination, but we are mostly known for sun and sea destinations, sun and beaches, and we wanted to promote the island from another point of view, and one of them is sport destination, because we have many different kinds of sports that can be practiced on the Canary Islands, especially all water sports, and then mountain biking, cycling, and of course all different kinds of sports.
Also important spectator sports as well, football and windsurfing.
Yeah, football, it's very important for the Canarian people. We had a team playing in the Third Division League for about 19 years. Unfortunately, we are playing in the second division now, but we've got a very big stadium with capacity for about 40,000 people there. And in the south of the island, we've got some more stadium near to the tourist areas. And in the winter time, we host there a tournament for teams from Europe. They used to come there for the winter season break, so they can keep fit for the second part of their leagues in Europe.
So they compete and they train. And what other benefits are there for you for hosting a big tournament such as that?
Well, it's very important for us, for our economy, because when teams are coming down there for training during the winter season, they don't come on their own. They come with their families as well, and of course they are famous teams from different countries in Europe, and they bring along a lot of media people. So I mean, we're not going to get just the footballers staying there, but also a very important amount of people behind them.
And windsurfing as well is popular on a professional level.
Windsurfing is very popular on almost all the Canary Islands, but especially in Fuerteventura and in Gran Canaria. You know, there's a world tournament all around the world, and in both islands, in Fuerteventura and in Gran Canaria, we have Grand Prix for the World Tour, and they take place in a few weeks in July, and in Gran Canaria, and a few weeks afterwards in Fuerteventura.
Now, how important are events such as World Sport Destination Expo for you and your tourism marketing plans?
Well, they are really important because, as I told you before, what we're trying to do is to position ourselves with different attributes. You know, we are well known for sun and sea, but nowadays tourists, they want to have different experiences and to practice sport and different kind of things, and that's what we're trying to offer now. What we're trying to convey is that we have much more than good weather, which is our main important thing, but we also have other possibilities like sports and nature, cultural history and everything, but we're here for sport.
Okay, well thank you very much for joining us here in Johannesburg.
It's a pleasure for us. Thank you.